Here we have this 2019 19 plate BMW 320d XDRIVE Shadow Edition. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We have your LED headlights and the black front kidney grills, full M Sport styling kits. You get the black front splitter, side skate extensions and also rear beat spoiler and rear diffuser. Now you do get your visual display of your rear parking sensor with your dual exhaust flush to the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Taking a quick look into the rear of the vehicle, you can see we do have the red Dakota leather throughout this vehicle with the ISOFIX points pull down armrest, climate control and your 12-volt connectivity in the rear, electric windows with your red leather, your gloss black trim. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Both driver and passenger have the extended thigh support. You have the electric windows, integrated Harman Kardon just there as well. Jumping inside, you have your auto lights just down there, multifunction steering wheel, rear paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. You have your auto high beam assist there as well. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and it's covered just over 38,297 miles. Screen just in the centre. That's the rolling shutters, nothing to worry about just there. That's just the rolling shutter on the phone. So you can find your satellite navigation, your media connectivity via DAB, Bluetooth audio, FM, DAB, CD there as well. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity, different drive modes where you have your Eco Pro, your Comfort, Sports and Sports Plus. You can also have your sports displays just there as well. Dual zone climate control works exactly how you would expect it to, ice cold aircon. Storage just in there, pushes open, 2 nice size cupboards, 12-volt connectivity, track control on and off drive mode. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen. Soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath as well. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, a new MOT and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this 2019 BMW 320d XDRIVE Shadow Edition M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not fighting steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. We have a multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift on the rear, which takes the car into manual mode. You also have a cruise control speed limiter on the left hand side. On the indicator side, we do have your auto high beam assist. Now on the doors, we have your integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. We have your red Dakota leather throughout this vehicle, combined with the black accents and the brushed metal trims in the interior of the vehicle. It really does work very well. Now these seats are very comfortable. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles and still get out feeling fresh. You have the extended thigh supports there as well. Dual zone climate control with your ice cold aircon. You have your screen in the centre where you can see your satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. You also have your rear parking sensor with rear visual display. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you've listened out for anyone's knocks or bangs. If you've listened out during this test drive video so far, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. So right now we're coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform a motor stop, pop it straight into reverse, just show that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the screen the rear reversing sensor, sorry. So pulling in now, and I do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You've got the rear sensors there as well. Back into drive again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if I've answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video. Test drive, it's here from you soon. Cheers.